Welcome to another stage analysis video. It's Sunday the 1st of February 2026. Gonna slightly different watch list this weekend than normal before I get into the regular content. Wanted to do something that was a bit more focused on the upcoming earnings this week, as there's a lot of earnings results coming out, some bigger stocks. So we had the first of the big names reporting last week, so a few more this week. So I thought it'd be a bit more interesting to cover that, especially with the market volatility that we've seen to the end last week. So starting off today with AMD, which has got earnings coming up on the 3rd, so Tuesday after the close, I believe there. So at the moment, it's pulled back into the 21-day exponential moving average in the last week. You can see dropped off quite a bit, especially on Friday, minus 6.13% at the end of the week, but it's still in this sideways range since the start of the last earnings reaction. So we see the big jump up it had at the last reaction, so still slightly above the top of that range. Since then it's pulled back into there a few times, but got back above this significant bar where it dropped off in November again, so it's just holding above that level at the moment. If we go on to the weekly chart, you can see it's been in a decent stage 2 range since then. Had a little head and shoulders type bottom to it before starting to push out into early stage 2. You can see the Mansell relative strength started to outperform versus the S&P 500 there, and the stage analysis technical attributes at the same time here. You can see as it moved into stage 2 had moved up to an 8 at that point. Before, you can see when it's in stage 2, the technical attributes tend to be above a SATA score of 6 or higher, but during this period where it's pulled back in, start to drop below the 10-week moving average here. You see they dropped off to more neutral levels and are now back at 6 again. So we're in this sort of sideways range at the moment. Let's zoom in a little bit on that, move it over. So you can see we're in this sideways range, currently pulling back in from testing the upper levels again, but well above the rising 30-week moving average and 10-week moving average at the moment. So still in a reasonably healthy position, but this could develop into a potential stage 3 if it does continue to consolidate in this sort of range through here. So coming back through the daily, what we're looking for with earnings is a continuation break that pushes it up and through the top of the range. But if it does start to drop back through below that 50-day moving average, then that could start to turn it back towards sort of more stage 3 type of look. So at the moment, looking for a continuation, but as I said, could easily turn into stage 3 and then quickly into stage 4 if it started to drop below these kind of levels, the 150 to 170 area. But earnings coming up on Tuesday after the close for that one. We've got Amazon as well, another big name reporting on the 3rd after the close. So this briefly popped into stage 2 recently, only just, and then pulled back in again. So still within this sort of broader range at the moment. You can see it did attempt to push out and then came back in again and started to set up again. Has been making higher lows throughout the course of the last 3 months as it started to push up, but obviously this sort of range could easily break down from that and then start to drift off again. The 200-day moving average is not too far away here, so 205 to 220 range could start to drop off into sort of stage 4 position at that point. So looking for further continuation with this one. Again, let's look on the weekly chart at the moment. So you can see it's been going sideways for the best part of the last year. It did move out with the rest of the market after the April bottom, so that brief dip down into stage 4 before recovering back above 30-week moving average. So started to push back out again into stage 2, but hasn't made much progress, as you can see. Still, if we draw a line across, hasn't been able to push out above the high from the early 2025 high there. So looking for continuation with this one as well. SATA score at the moment on a 6 of 10, so still in the strong range, but a little bit more neutral on a 6, as it's at the lower end of the range there. So again, looking for a strong continuation breakout after on earnings. As I said, if it starts to drop through the 50, through the 200 day, then that would be a get out of the way type position, so a couple of lows within that range as well. So around, start to get a little bit more negative if it starts dropping below that 225 kind of area, but if it pops through that 250 area, then would be much more positive and looking for the stage 2 to continue. Eli Lilly, another one that's looked strong for a number of months now, highlighted it as it started to break out into stage 2 back at the end of September. So had an earnings reaction move and started to push out strongly into stage 2. So just get the weekly chart up again. You can see it was in this broader range, then had a drop off, failed breakdown into stage 4, quickly recovered, and then quickly started to push back up into stage 2 again. So now making another little structure here. As you can see, the technical attributes have dropped to a neutral 5 at the moment, so we're in what we call stage 2 minus, as this could obviously, when it's below the 10-week moving average, the technical attributes are slightly weaker, so it gets a minus signal on the stage. So if that continues to drop off through there, particularly if it gets through the 30-week moving average, then this could turn to stage 3. But at the moment, still quite strong in how it's holding up. So it has had a few lower lows recently, but each one of those, you can see the tails on those recently. So looking for it to push back through that 50-day moving average, ideally start to push back through the top of the range in the short term. Negative reaction, if it starts to get back through this 980, 960 area, then that would be much more negative and could start to push towards stage 3 territory again. So at the moment, with earnings coming up, looking for stage 2 continuation break to the upside at the moment. So earnings on this one on the 4th before the market opens. I think that's Wednesday before the open. So yeah, where am I?